Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In last week's shocking episode, All the Proof, the NBC drama delivered another devastating blow. It was revealed that Kelly Severide's Taylor Kinney father, Benny Severide, Treat Williams, suffered a stroke and died.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Benny, Treat Williams, died of a stroke, and Severide, Taylor Kinney, didn't even get a chance to see his father one last time. They never had the best relationship, nor did Benny and Boden, Aim and Walker, but the loss greatly affected Severide afterwards.
Let's help you make your mark.
As for Herman, he ended the episode incredibly relieved that Mouch survived, but not dealing with any life-changing reveals of his own, unless this adventure in the freight elevator has taught him to just take the stairs during any future fire emergencies.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The new chief, now that Benny has accepted McLeod's offer to replace Boden at Firehouse 51, one has to wonder if he was always after the top job. He's a lot shady, admits Kinney. However, I don't think that was his endgame, notes the actor.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.